Good morning, children. This is Ramesi book. We will continue our online classes. Chapter 6 Unity is Strength. Story. Long ago, there was a man who had 4 sons. They lived in a small village. The brothers were always fighting and quarreling with each other. Long time ago, there was one small village, and in that village, one old man and 4 sons. They lived together, and that 4 sons always fighting and quarreling with each other. A chief decided to take advantage of the situation. He began to create more disagreements among the brothers so that he could steal their father's property. He told one brother, "Your brother say you are weak." He told another brother, "Your brother say you are silly." The brothers began to fight even more. Finally, one day their father called them. And in that village, one cheat was there. He decided to take advantages of these 4 brothers. And he decided to take all the properties of the old man. And he went to one brother and said, "Your brother say you are weak." And he went to another brother and said, "Your brother say you are silly." So when they heard these things, their fighting and quarreling was more. They fight each other. The brothers began to fight even more. Finally, one day their father called them. And one day their father called them. He gave them some sticks tightly bound together and said, "I shall give 100 rupees to the one who can break this bundle into 2." Then father gave them one bundle of stick, and that bundle of stick is tightly bound together, and said, "Take, I shall give you 100 rupees to the one who can break this bundle into 2. If you will break this bundle into 2 pieces, I will give you 100. Who will break? That fellow will get this 100 rupees." The brothers were eager to try their hand. One by one, they matched their strength, but they could not break the bundle of sticks. "It is impossible," they cried. Then the brothers were eager to try. They are so happy to break the bundle. One by one, they matched their strength. One by one, they tried, but they could not break the bundle of sticks. "It is impossible." At last, they said, "It is impossible." "On the contrary," said their father, "there is nothing simpler." Then that father said, "There is nothing." He united the stick, and taking them one by one, he broke each of them. He untied the stick, and taking them one by one, he broke each of them. And he took out, untied means he took out one by one stick he gave to his 4 sons. "Of course," exclaimed the brothers, "even a child could do such a thing if the sticks are separated and broken one by one." And he exclaimed them, "Even a child could do such a thing if the sticks are separated and broken one by one. And if the stick is only one, a child also easily he can break it." Their father then said, "What has happened to these sticks is happening with you, my son. As long as you remain united, you will resist and nobody will be able to defeat you. But If your bond breaks, you too will be reduced to the state of these broken sticks. The brothers hang their head in shame and promise to make amends. And the old man said to his sons, if you will be separate, if you will be fighting with each other, then easily anybody can separate you, like this one single stick. And if you will together, nobody will be able to defeat you. But if your bond breaks, you too will be reduced to the state of this broken stick. If you will fight each other, and then anybody can separate you, and your properties also will go. If you are together, then nobody will separate you. Okay. Moral of the story: unity is a character virtue that enables a person to live in harmony with his surroundings. Unity is a character virtue that enables a person to live in harmony, means live in happy with his surroundings. Unity at home or schools is hampered by argument, quarrel, then favoritism, etc. To remain united with friend and family, children should share their things, have common goals, avoid backbiting or telling tales. So, unity is a main virtue that enables a person to live harmony with his surroundings. If there is no unity, then there will be no harmony, there will be no peace. So unity at home, school is hampered by argument, quarrel. So everywhere we should keep unity. To remain united with friends and family, children should share their things. So we have to remain united with friends, with family, and children should also share their things, have common goals. These are common goals. Avoid backbiting or telling tales. Means backbiting or telling tales. Tales means some real and imaginary events, incident or case or some stories, etc. Thank you, children.